In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a persona inside of Poly AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do that is to enter any chat here. Now, once you've entered a chat, we want to click on the three horizontal bars at the top right. Now, this takes us into chat settings. Now, below chat settings, we got my persona. So I'm going to click onto that. And if you don't have persona yet, you could start creating yours now. So click on create. Then from here, if you want to fill in the core info for your persona, so what do you want to be called? So add that in, your gender and your descriptions. What does the character know about you? So yeah, basically the description is setting your persona. So I'm just going to go ahead and say I am a friendly, witty assistant who speaks casually and loves tech. Always helpful, slightly humorous, and explains things simply. We can add a backstory if you want to, and your relationship and all that stuff, and you've got up to 1,500 characters of information to add in. So yeah, go fill that out to the best of your ability, and the more detailed and descriptive you are, the better your persona is going to be. Then from here, settings, so set as default persona, you can enable that if you want that to be as default for all new characters you interact with. So click confirm and then click save. Now that's going to set your persona. Then if when you come back here, it's going to say you've set your persona, and it's going to be set as default because I want this across all characters. You don't have to, but that's the way I'm going to roll.